Got my haircut. I did it myself last night. So back to the bike. I'm just on with doing the brakes at the moment. I'm going to remove these calipers. I'm going to strip them down and rebuild them because they're working like shite. They've been stood for a while, so they're not going to work, are they? Let's face it. So that screen, I've got that fly screen fitted there. As you can see, it looks well. Looks a bit like a street triple, doesn't it? I think it works well with them headlights, the indicators and the mirrors. So I'm probably going to dust them fork legs over as well, put some colour on them. And then here's the mud guard I painted. So that's all painted. And I'll fit that. And then we're starting to get near having a bike built. So I'm going to get on with these bits and bobs. And then we'll see what it looks like with a bit more progress. So I've got these forks cleaned up. I've prepped them up and I've painted them. I put a decal on there as well, put a decal on both sides. I've fitted this mud guard, so it looks a lot better. I've cleaned the headers up, so they look nice. So I painted the forks with, I've got some Audi grey, Daytona grey, and bought that from Halfords. So that was about £9, and then I got some lacquer and lacquered them as well. The headers I cleaned up with some Mother's Mag aluminium polish. That's really good stuff. I've rebuilt the brakes. I bought this tool off eBay. This is a brake piston compression tool. Very handy for doing the pistons. I've also got this rear hugger on. I've got a decal on the back there. You can let me know what you think of that. See that decal from this side. See, I've given it a good clean up. I've made a bracket here to hold this pipe on. And I've just been doing random jobs really. So I'm not far off having this project complete now. It'll soon be ready for MOT. A few little jobs here and there. And it'll be done. So if you like the video and you want to see more, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.